Hey! So today we are here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Haven't been here in a really long time, actually.
Oh, yeah.
We're here to, ride some rides, see some updates to the park, see what they have for the 30th anniversary.
Ooh.
And much, much more.
So stick around.
So, as we said, we are here at Disney's Hollywood Studios today.
Yep, very warm day.
Very warm, kind of busy. We're gonna head over and do Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy again, just to make sure it's just as good as we saw it the first time.
Yeah.
Because I'm not 100% convinced yet, but as we were on our way over there, we decided to stop into Once Upon a Time, the store where they have most of the Toy Story merchandise and Pixar merchandise. One, because it's hot, so we wanted some AC.
Yeah.
But two, we wanted to see if there was any new merchandise, and we saw this really, really cute child's racing jacket. It's a leather jacket, and it looks really, really cute, and it was only $60. So I'm like, it's a little pricey, but for a pretty much a fake leather jacket, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Once you find your parking spot, please turn off all high beams and silence your radios. There is no smoking, eating, flash photography, or video recording.
Once again, that was so cute. So much fun, and now we can actually say sit in the middle if you have the chance. Because McQueen looks so good if you're facing him straight on. So definitely sit in the middle. Super cute still. Confirmed it is the same show as it was before. There's not multiple different variations of the show. Just one show, but nonetheless, so cute. A really great addition to this park. Really great.
Yeah, I mean, even if you sit on the sides, it's still really, really good. I mean, when we saw it the first time, we were all the way on the right side, and it still looked amazing. But if you are sitting in the middle, you're going to get a much better 180-degree view of the entire show.
And it's great. I love it.
Now, here's where I come in with a rant about this. So here's your rant alert. They say, with guests coming in, no flash photography, no pictures, no video recording, nothing. Not just external video lighting, no video recording. It says, they tell you when you're walking in, and they tell you before the show even starts with Mater telling you.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna be like, all right, can't film it. Those videos that are online right now
should not be there.
Unless they're from the first day. The very first day they let social media people film it so that they can show you guys. But if there are any current videos out there of filming, they shouldn't be there because they're not supposed to be filming.
No.
And what really bugs me is that we sat down, we turned off all this equipment and everything, and we do this for you guys for fun. I turned around when the show started, and I was counting throughout.
7 cameras.
I saw 7 big cameras out filming the entire thing. There was a lot of flash photography going on. Can people just follow basic instructions?
Right.
I'm having to really hold back language right now because it really annoys me when people just don't follow basic instructions.
Yeah.
They're telling you not to video record for a reason, because there are projections within the show, and filming it kind of shows how it works. It kind of ruins the magic, so to say.
Yeah.
So if they're saying not to film it, they're saying it for a reason. Don't do it. People don't want to be watching the show through somebody else's camera.
Yeah.
Rant over.
Now let's go over to Toy Story Land, shall we?
Yeah. Made it into Toy Story Land.
Yeah.
And now we are about to get on to Toy Story Mania. What do you think is going to win?
Probably you, but who knows? I could be the underdog and beat you today.
No, not happening.
Maybe.
Not happening.
Maybe.
Not happening.
We'll see. Who do you think's gonna win today? Put it down in the comments.
How'd we do?
You did better than me, but it's fine.
What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? Come on! Oh, so close. I thought I was gonna break 300. Darn it.
Probably still got best in vehicle.
Yeah! Best in vehicle.
Okay, so
we're done with Toy Story Land. It's because it's just, getting sauna-esque in there, and very hot.
Yeah.
Very, very hot. So to the rest of the park we go. You want to know what I'm excited about?
What are you excited about?
How we can make our own lightsabers in Galaxy's Edge.
Yes. That'll be so much fun.
Yeah. They're $200.
But hey, really cool lightsaber.
Mm-hmm. So if you have not read about it, Disney just announced kind of how it's going to work. It's going to be kind of like Ollivander's over at Universal, like the whole wand selecting ceremony. It's going to be like that, but with lightsabers.
Yeah.
So it's going to be really, really cool. All right, time to go meet Chewie. Why, hello, Chewie. It's just an image capture device. You're good.
All right, welcome, Prince.
How are you today, bud? Good to see ya. I'm good, yeah.
Here, buddy. Awesome. Thanks, Chewie.
Good to see you around in the galaxy.
So, you know it's summer here at Studios because Chewie needs a bath. He is shedding.
Oh, he's shedding a lot. He needs like a nice grooming and some shed. Like
he looks
shed
great,
retardant.
but he looks good. But he
Yeah.
is shedding like a dog because I got hair
Everywhere.
all over me.
Like I'm wearing a white shirt, and like you could have seen like little threads of it all. So I'm like, yeah.
So we're now over in the 5 and 10 store at the front of the park to look at some of the new merchandise.
Yes.
First of all, the other store, like the big stores right now, they're being renovated. So
And completely refurbed.
Yeah.
So we only have the
One
right side
store.
of the street, the first street you walk down.
Hollywood Bowl.
Bowl.
Yes.
Yeah. That's the only right side is the stores. The left side is completely closed off for refurb at this time.
So there's like less merchandise out and about, which is kind of annoying.
Yeah.
But
It's all in a centralized
Yeah.
location, so that's nice.
which is really nice. But what's really cool is that they have some new phone cases for the 30th anniversary.
Yeah.
And I just saw this one for my phone.
You're gonna get it?
I'm really tempted. That's really
It looks really cute.
Especially since they don't have that many phone cases for our phone.
Yeah. We have the XS Max.
We're iPhone people.
Yeah. So it's the newest, biggest phone, and Disney apparently doesn't like to make our phone case.
No, they don't.
So-
It's very hard to find a phone case.
Yeah,
for
if we
it.
want a phone
But-
case, we most of the time have to like create it on the actual like computer.
But
They're coming out with new phone cases, so that's fun.
They also have, take that one. They also have this one. So yeah, they also have just the standard blue,
Yeah.
and then this one is in like a sideways pattern, which is kind of interesting, but it's
Kind
upside
of
down.
reminiscent to the annual pass holder shirt,
Yes.
but it's not an annual pass holder phone case, so anyone can get it.
No, I actually think I'm gonna get that.
You're gonna get it?
Yeah. It was a good day.
It really was. We did a lot.
Yeah, so recap real quick. We did the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy,
Which was great.
which is still great.
Still do it.
Toy Story Mania, which
Always
was
fun.
awesome. Went and met Chewie and saw some Star Wars stuff.
So that's always great, especially with Galaxy's Edge coming.
Exactly. And then I got a new phone case because...
And the new pin set.
And the new pin
Do you
set.
want to show them the pin set really quick before we
pull that
leave?
real quick. This is the pin set. And, sorry. There we
There
go.
you go.
There we go. Now there's no shadow. It's really, really cute. It has Mickey, Edna, Kermit, BB-8, Woody, and Olaf. And it has the 30-year logo on it. It's really, really cute. I love it. So I'm really excited that I got that.
Yeah, and that's a limited release, opened for the 30th anniversary, but not a lot of people got it. So there's still a lot of 30th anniversary stuff
There's a
in
lot of
those
merch.
shops.
There's a lot of merch. There's a
Head
lot of
over
shirts,
there.
a lot of pins.
Pretty much everything except for the limited release Magic Band.
Limited edition.
Limited edition Magic Band, sorry. That's the only thing that has truly sold out.
Yeah,
Everything
so-
else, you're good to go.
That's another thing, just to let you guys know, when Disney does limited release and limited edition stuff, if you did not know. So, limited edition merchandise. So, this includes magic bands, pins, shirts, stuff like that. The limited edition. They make a certain number, and once it's gone, it's gone. For limited release, what they will do is they will keep making and selling that item until the event is over. And then from that point on, once they run out, they run out. So for the 30th anniversary, they're gonna keep selling and printing the pins and the shirts and stuff like that that are limited release until the year is up.
Yeah.
For the 30th anniversary. Then after that anniversary is over, then whatever's left, once they sell out, they sell out.
Yeah. All in all, really great day here in Hollywood Studios. We did a lot, we saw a lot, we bought a lot, and it's hot.
It's hot, so we're gonna head home and go to AC.
Yes.
But, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff down below. Hit the bell icon.
Ding, 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 ding. I get to do it. Yeah.
Other than that, I think we're gonna leave that here for today.
Yeah.
We will catch you on the flip side, and we will see you next time on
The EAZ.